Arnold here, co-founder Pet Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in again on DraftKings. We've been following this in the double. Hit the second target today, 28.10, dipping slightly below that, 27.54, moving back up to the prior target area, 30.50, which was also this little temporary support shelf. So, and also, you see here, divergence forming. So this would be a great area if you were trading this, and again, not trading advice, we're just watching this pattern play out and helping educate people on price action patterns. This would be another great way. Worst case, you lower a stop. You could even, if you entered on a pullback trigger, enter on a pullback to rotation zone, you could easily move it to break even, and still this could come back up in the rotation zone and rotate back down to the final target. But with the divergence, it would be prudent to at least lower stop, and this second target is for partial profit taking. First level resistance, if we get back above this 30.50 level, we're watching 32, and then above 32, we're watching about 33.80. If we did get a close above 33.80, we're pretty much over with the pattern. But that's where it stands right now. That's on the daily. You can come down the 4 hour if you want some lower levels, especially for stops. So on the 4 hour, resistance coming in at 30.87 and then about 32.40. I'd be really following the daily, but you also see 4 hour, you got a divergence. Doesn't mean it's over. A divergence means momentum slowing. So this way it's slowing to the downside. All right, that's a little educational content for you on DraftKings, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.